So here is how you can change the color of your dress from this to this using the CapCut app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your dress, one dress but different colors. Now, there are things you need to note, there are things you need to do in order to get perfect result. But before I show you how you can do this, please, I would like you to first of all subscribe to this channel and then like this video, watch this video to the end. So number one is that you have to wear, if you are a dark skinned person, you have to wear light colors. Yes, you have to wear brighter colors. Like me now, the complexion of my face and this dress are not the same thing. So you have to wear dresses that are different from the complexion of your face so that it doesn't, it doesn't disturb. Another one is, if you're a light skinned person, please stick to wearing dark colors. Yes, assuming that you are fair, you can wear green, you can wear black. If you are dark, you can wear yellow, you can wear purple. You can just look for light colors and wear so that it will give you the perfect result that you want. Remember to subscribe if you have not. So let's get into the video.
So in your CapCut app, all you just want to do is to first of all preview the clips. After previewing the clips, you scroll down to this place where they say adjust, and then click on this adjust button and scroll to this place where they say HSL. Yes, hue, saturation and light. Just click on it and then choose the color that you are wearing. Now for this color, I'm wearing yellow, so I'll choose it and then drag this button down to the end. Can't you see? So that the color is changing already, so feel free to drag it. The more you drag it, the different colors, varieties of colors it will show you. So just drag it. I will just adjust the lighting a little, drag the saturation to the end and then drag the hue to the end, and you can see that it's already giving me the perfect color that I want. So feel free to drag it the way you want. If that's why I said that if you're a light skinned person, stick to dark colors. So let me change this color again. See, I wanted to change it to green. I told you, just feel free to drag it the way you want and it will give you the color that you desire. So let me just change it back to the one that I was using before. Yes, which is this yellow color. This is this green colors a bit. So if you have gained value out of this, please just do well to do what, subscribe. And the goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So just feel free to tweak it the way you want and then download it.
So if you have watched up to this moment and you haven't subscribed, what is it? Please subscribe, because all I give here is valuable content. So make sure you do what? You subscribe. See you in my next one. But before then, click on this place or this place to watch my next video.